If you want to start using Trading212, you should click on the link in the description to get a free share up to $100 when creating an account. To add funds in Trading212, in your home page, click the menu, select Manage Funds, and assuming you are fully verified in this application, when you click Manage Funds, you'll be able to see the deposit and the withdrawal funds. Now, to add funds, just simply click the deposit funds and you'll proceed to the processing of how to deposit funds in Trading212. And that's it. That's how you add funds in Trading212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.